News on the market, something everyone has their eyes on right now. The early trade gains have been erased due to global uncertainty as it's dragging down the markets. My colleague Sakshi Bajaj will take us through the details of the stock market trading and how it's been behaving so far.
Absolutely, Rika. We have seen markets really, both the Nifty and the Sensex, the two key benchmark indices, give up on those early trade gains. Remember, we did see markets open as much as 0.5% higher, trade as much as 0.5% higher in early trade. The Sensex gain over 300 points. And now what we are witnessing is a complete reversal. We are seeing the Sensex slide by over 300 points. We are seeing broader markets tumble. And we are seeing the volatility index spike as well. So why really is this happening? Now, we have been speaking to experts and analysts alike, and now they believe there are three key reasons. Of course, they believe broadly, really, global uncertainty is what is dragging the market mood altogether. They remember we have seen the US trade tariff policy uncertainty weigh on sentiment. Remember, Donald Trump, US president, has spoken of reciprocal tariffs. Remember, we do know that Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal is on his way for trade talks just ahead of the rollout, really, of those tariffs. But really, really crucial to remember here that this policy uncertainty now is hurting sentiment. So that they believe is a key factor. The other key factor that experts believe is the fact that the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war will continue. The spat between Donald Trump and Zelensky has also further added to the nervousness and the state of affairs, really, and jitters, really, of the fact that this war will be ongoing and we are in the midst of a tariff uncertainty that the world is feeling, as it were. The third key reason that experts believe is, consistent and persistent FI selling is continuing to drag and hurt the market mood. Of course, apart from earning concerns and valuations being stretched domestically, these three key reasons, and primarily the global uncertainty, is what is denting the market mood altogether at the moment.